Hey guys, Semo Artifact Adventures. Me and Nick are out on the village site today. We got some rain yesterday and Nick's already found a birdie. I think you can see it. See if you can see it right in the center of the screen. We don't know if the tip's on it. It kind of looks like it is, but it's hard to tell.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go with the tip right here.
Oh,
heck yeah! Score! Can't hardly pick it up. Nice little scouring, it looks like. Sweet. I was due for one. Hey, check this out. Nice little rim shard right here too.
Yeah.
It's a keeper.
Heck yeah.
Well, we'll keep at it.
Yep, we'll get back with you if we find something else. We got a lot to check. Later. All right, guys, we're coming along through the ravines, and it's, as you can see, they're full of leaves. But I just come up on a pretty good sized piece of pottery. Looks like it's just the side of a bowl or a pot. You can see the cord marks in it. See the profile of it. We'll get back with you later. All right, guys, it's Trey with Semo Artifact Adventures. I'm out at the honey hole site today. They still haven't cut the beans yet, but we got a huge downpour the other night, and the creek was up probably 6 or 7 feet. Really moved the gravel around, so I was going to come check these washouts. And I found a little flake knife. You can see where they've worked this end down and holding it and cutting stuff with it. I just walked up on a little bird point. I see it down in there. This is the first bird point I've found in this field. Oh, just got a little bit of the tip missing. That's nice. Paper thin. Well, I'm gonna keep looking around. If I come up with anything else, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Later. All right, guys, I'm back. I should have left the camera running. I literally found that bird point between my feet. I was moving some leaves around. I don't know if this is whole, but you see that stem and that ear? Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Heck yes. That's nice. Right on. Not sure what type that is. Look like a little dart point, maybe. Archaic. We find a lot of Adinas in here, but I have yet to find any pottery in this field, so I'm thinking it's older, but we still need to find more stuff to see. We'll get back with you later. All right, guys, came up here in the field. I walked up on a flake blade, I think. You see this thing down here? It looks like it's worked around the end of it. Little cutting tool. We'll get back with you. Later. Okay guys, I got something for you. If anybody knows what these are, you're gonna have to let me know. That's some kind of a mushroom, and it's like they pop out of these little white balls. I've been seeing a lot of these around. Like there's one, and then right up over here, there's another one. Somewhere down here there was an old one. Yeah. You can see where that one's about dead, and that one too. This is the only place I've ever seen those things. Later. Okay guys, I'm back. I walked the creek a little bit, found some flakes and stuff, but didn't really find much, not like I expected to for as much water as we got. But I just walked up on a freaking heartbreaker. You see that sticking out right there? It's got a big stem on it. I guess it's the tip's blown off of it. Look at this. Oh man. Yeah, it's got the tips broke off. I thought it was a blunt for a second. It's kind of made on a flake. It's flat on the back. It's starting to rain. I don't know if I'll get to stay out much longer, but if I find anything else, I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers we got. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe so you can see all the new videos when they come out. As always, thank you. Later.